And you tell me what you're doing.
I'm digging dirt into strawberries.
To do what?
Strawberries.
Really? Where are the strawberries?
The right, digging the seeds. Right.
Yeah, how many strawberries do you think you'll get from those plants?
2
2. Only 2?
or 5.
Maybe 5?
Yeah, maybe.
That would be awesome, right?
Got some more strawberries, right, Mommy?
Uh-huh.
We grow them.
Yep. Whoa! Oh, that was massive.
Yeah.
What do you do after you plant the strawberries?
Wait a minute till they grow and then you pick the strawberries up. You eat the fruit.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, careful. Don't get me all dirty. You eat the fruit?
Yeah.
Oh. What are you going to eat them on?
The little part.
Oh.
That's the fruit.
The yellow part?
Yeah, the little fruit.
Wait, what color are strawberries? They're not yellow.
The red on the top and the yellow on the bottom. That on the red top is strawberry candy fruit.
Yum.
And the little part is the little green part.
Excuse me.
Green sandwich candy, strawberry candy ice cream.
Whoa.
Yeah.